Travelling through Europe is an incredible adventure, but there are some common mistakes that can turn your dream trip into a headache. In this video, we'll cover 10 mistakes that you don't want to make when travelling in Europe so that you can enjoy your trip to the fullest. Welcome to another episode from Bucket List Adventures. Europe's charming cobblestone streets and narrow staircases are a nightmare with heavy luggage. So pack light, stick to versatile outfits and bring comfortable shoes. So whatever you plan to pack, reduce it. You'll never use everything you think you will. Use packing cubes to keep your luggage organised and make sure you have a spare bag for dirty laundry. And on that note, if you're away for an extended holiday, you'll need to plan time in your schedule to do your laundry. We packed washing detergent leaves. They weigh nothing and take up no space and also give your bag a nice aroma of fresh laundry. Also consider the limitations of Europe's transport systems. Smaller rental cars, packed trains and crowded metros don't accommodate for oversized suitcases easily. Many budget airlines charge steep fees for extra luggage, so packing smart not only saves effort but also saves money. Compact backpack or rolling suitcase is your best friend in Europe. Each European country has its own unique customs. For example, tipping in restaurants isn't as common in Spain as it is in the US. And don't forget to cover your shoulders in Italian churches. Researching local etiquette beforehand shows respect and helps you blend in. For example, in France, greeting shopkeepers with bonjour before asking a question is polite. And in Germany, jaywalking is frowned upon. Be mindful of these little details and they enhance your travel experience and avoid awkward situations. Losing your luggage can be one of the most stressful travel experiences, and unfortunately it's a risk every traveller faces. Airlines handle millions of bags daily, so delays and misplacement happen. You can reduce the impact by planning ahead. First, invest in a reliable luggage tracker like an Apple AirTag or a Tile device. These small trackers can be placed inside your suitcase and connected to your smartphone, allowing you to pinpoint your luggage's location even if the airline loses track of it. They're especially helpful in large airports if your bag is sent to the wrong destination. Second, always carry essentials in your carry-on bag. Think toiletries, medications, a change of clothes and any valuables. This way you'll be prepared for a day or two without your checked luggage. Also consider labelling your luggage clearly with contact details to make it easier for airline staff to reunite you with your bags. Being proactive can save you from a headache of lost luggage and ensure that your trip gets off to a smooth start even if your bags take a different journey than you do. Europe's public transport is efficient and budget-friendly. Instead of renting a car, consider high-speed trains and local metros. Apps like Omio and Citymapper, and also Rome to Rio, can help you navigate with ease. Public transport also provides a chance for you to experience local life. For instance, taking a train through the Swiss Alps offers stunning views, and riding a tram in Lisbon is an adventure in itself. Learn about transport passes like the Eurozone pass or city cars to save money and to make the most of your journey. Trying to visit 10 countries in 10 days might sound exciting, but it's exhausting. Spend more time in fewer places and try to enjoy the culture and sights. Consider the logistics of frequent travel, which includes packing and unpacking and navigating transport all take time. Instead, focus on quality over quantity. For example, spending a few days exploring Tuscany will leave you with richer memories than skimming through Italy's highlights in a rush. Don't miss out on authentic food. From French croissants to pizza in Italy, exploring local cuisine is a big part of the European experience. Skip fast food and try something new. Dining like a local often leads to unique and affordable experiences. Visit bustling markets, cosy taverns or family-run restaurants and get a taste of traditional dishes. Trying local specialties like goulash in Hungary or paella in Spain can also provide insight into the region's culture and history. booked as many things as possible in advance, like our hotels, flights, accommodation, and tourist attractions. Popular attractions like the Colosseum or Sagrada Familia can sell out fast, so pre-booking tickets online often saves time and guarantees you entry. Many attractions also offer skip-the-line options or guided tours that enhance the experience, so booking in advance can help you plan your itinerary more effectively and avoid spending valuable vacation hours waiting in queues. We use the website Rome to Rio to work out the best value for money travel options. Not all European countries use euros. For example, the UK uses pounds. Check exchange rates and avoid exchanging money at busy places like airports or train stations. Also notify your bank about international travel to prevent your cards from being blocked. Use ATMs or prepaid travel cards for better exchange rates and lower fees. Small tips like these ensure you're prepared for financial transactions wherever you go. Pickpocketing is common in busy tourist areas. Thieves often work in groups, creating distractions like fake spills or bumping into you. Stay aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas like metro stations, markets and tourist hotspots. A bit of caution can save you from losing valuable items. Use a money belt, keep bags zipped and stay alert, especially on public transport. Use an AirTag or something similar so you can keep track of your wallet or your handbag if it does go missing. Visa and entry rules in Europe are changing, and not being informed could disrupt your trip. Starting in 2025, many travellers from visa-exempt countries like Australia and the US and Canada will need to apply for the ETIAS, the European Travel Information and Authorisation System, to enter 30 European countries. This isn't a visa, it's a travel authorisation similar to the US ESTA and costs €7. Don't let a small oversight ruin your European adventure. Knowing and preparing for these regulations in advance ensures you avoid unnecessary stress and enjoy your trip to the fullest. That wraps up our list of 10 mistakes not to make when travelling in Europe. We hope you like these tips and they help you avoid the pitfalls and make the most of your next adventure. Remember, travel is all about embracing the unexpected, but a little preparation goes a long way in making your journey unforgettable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. We'd love to hear about your own travel experiences and lessons you've learned, so share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're planning a trip to Europe, check out our other videos for destination guides and insider tips. Thanks for watching and happy travels! Here are some more episodes that we think you'd like to watch.